Help! My AC is broken. If that's you, this video is for you. You know, it's very common, especially in South Texas, that the air conditioner isn't always working optimally. And a lot of times you'll be in your apartment and it will be blowing hot air. So I'm going to give you some steps that you can take before calling your corporate housing provider to fix the problem yourself. Because a lot of times there are easy solutions that you can use. When your air conditioner is blowing hot air, it's very likely that what we call the air handler, which is located in your apartment, the coils in the air handler, which help to keep the air cold, they're frozen. If that's the case, the first thing you want to do is you want to turn your air conditioner off. So on your thermostat, you'll see a little switch that probably says AC or cool, off, and heat or heater. Move it to the off position. I know that sounds counterintuitive, but hear me out. When you do that, if your fan is on auto, you'll need to move the fan, which is another switch on your thermostat. You'll need to move the fan to on. And if your air conditioner is set below 70 degrees, you need to set the air conditioning temp to 70 degrees or better. That's going to come into play when you turn the air conditioner back on. Here's what happens. When the air conditioner is running nonstop and it's running below 70 degrees, the coils will freeze. And if the coils are freezing, that's actually something that it'll blow the air, but frozen coils will not cool the air. Put something under the air handler if you're able to absorb water, because when the coils start to thaw, that ice is going to drip. So then you can control any potential, not flooding, but dripping in the apartment, because it can be a significant amount. Do this for about 3 or 4 hours. Run the fans in your apartment. That will help circulate air, as well as keeping the fan on inside your air handler. This is all going to work to get those coils thawed as quickly as possible. After about 3 or 4 hours, then go ahead, clean up the water that has dripped off of your coils under the air handler, and turn your air conditioner back on. Again, that little switch, move it to cool or AC, and put your fan back on auto. Make sure your thermostat is no cooler than 70 degrees. In apartments, air conditioners are made for no cooler than 70 degrees. If you start to get it colder than that, the air conditioner may not be able to cool the air off sufficiently and may have to run continuously, which a continuously running air conditioner is going to freeze over. If there's hot air blowing out of your air conditioner, still keep the fans in your apartment going, and then honestly turn your air conditioner off, because all it's going to do is blow more hot air into your apartment until professional help can get there. Keep in mind that after the sun goes down here in South Texas, air conditioning professionals cannot do anything to help you. It is in your best interest to try to handle it yourself so that you can get that air conditioner flowing again. What can happen is, and we never want this to happen, but we just want to make you aware, if your thermostat is set too low, it can damage the air conditioner, and then you can get charged back for a damaged air conditioner due to overuse, as the kind of overuse I'm talking about. But we don't want that. And actually, here in South Texas, if you've been out in 90 to 100 degree heat and you step into an apartment that's 75 degrees and the cool air is blowing, it's actually quite refreshing. After you've done these steps and your air conditioner is still blowing hot air, call your corporate housing provider. They will be the ones who can ensure that the right people are called out to take care of your air conditioning problem and get you back to a cool apartment. If you found this information helpful, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you get notified when we post more great content like this to help you as you're staying with any corporate housing provider in South Central Texas. Ciao!